Hand tools are an essential part of any woodworking shop. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of hand tool use for woodworking projects. One of the most important hand tools to master is the chisel. A chisel can be used for a variety of tasks, such as shaping, mortising, and paring. It's important to use the right size and type of chisel for the job and to keep the blade sharp. Another important hand tool is the hand plane. A hand plane can be used to smooth and level a surface, to create a straight edge, or to create a beveled edge. It's important to use the right type of plane for the job and to keep the blade sharp. Hammers and nails are also essential hand tools for woodworking projects. They're used for assembling projects, such as boxes, frames, and furniture. It's important to use the right size and type of hammer and nails for the job, and to use proper nailing techniques to avoid splitting the wood. Remember, hand tools are an essential part of any woodworking shop. By mastering the use of hand tools, you can work more efficiently and create beautiful and functional pieces of woodwork. Check the description below to create beautiful, custom woodworking projects with ease. Happy woodworking!